Hi, I am with Apurva Mehta. She's a partner in the Admiralty Law Practice at A&B Legal. And I want to ask Apurva, what do you think of the trends in ADR, in Admiralty or Maritime Practice? What is happening in the arbitration space, mediation space, and what do you see for the future?
So in the Admiralty practice, you generally have your standard clauses which will either provide for LMA arbitrations or LCIA arbitrations.
So you may have to say what is LMA and MS.
Yes, so that's the London Maritime Arbitrators Association. So these are standard contracts which are part of the standard form contracts which are generally used in the Admiralty space. You know, you would generally have to go by the standard clauses unless it is modified by the parties. So in Admiralty, you would find these standard form contracts only which are generally used by parties, and parties are more comfortable having their seats either in London or in Singapore. Secondly, in the mediation space, now that mediation is also taking precedence, LMA clauses also now do provide. So it would all depend upon parties whether they are encouraging mediation, and that way is having the mediation clause.
Do
as
you
well.
see that as a trend?
Not as much because people are still, comfortable using the old clauses. But yes, mediation is always something that people do explore as and when the disputes pan out, and where they see that there is a scope of cutting down on costs and using mediation as a better way to resolve your disputes. People are looking at mediation, but unfortunately, yes, it is slow. Unfortunately, because these standard clauses do have arbitration, and people have been using that for ages now. So that ways it is slow, but I think it is progressing in that direction.
Okay, lovely. Thank you.